Hello, everyone. So now we're looking at 9.3, the law of sines. Um, some of the digging I did, and again, this is really old history, and other people probably developed it, but I found one little bit about Al-Jayani, I'm assuming Arabic mathematician, wrote the Book of Unknown Arcs of a Sphere, 11th century, and introduced the general law of sines. So that's pretty good. Pretty good. So last time in 9.2, we found the area of any triangle is K equals 1 half AB sine C. And we talked about how in any instance you can make this work. All you need is, in this case, the length of A, the length of B, and the measure of angle C, the included angle between those two legs. And it also works for the other sides. You could say, yeah, but what about if you know angle A and little c and little b? And that's fine. You can say equals 1 half BC sine A equals, ready for it, 1 half. Okay, look, we did AB, we did BC, we did AB, we did BC. That means we just have A and C left. AC, the two legs, and the included angle, sine B. Interesting. So this one equals this one equals this one. And why is that? Well, they're all finding the area of this same triangle. So they have to be equal. I think that, is that the reflexive property? I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that one. Okay, so we have all of those are equal to each other, and they all equal the area of that same triangle. So for right now, I'm going to take this K away. So let's clean this up. Let's see if we can make it into something amazing. Well, I notice right away there's a 1 half in every term. So I think I'm going to get rid of those, you know, say bye-bye. You can either divide by half or multiply by 2. I guess I'm into reciprocals. Okay, so now what do we have left? AB sine C equals BC sine A equals AC sine B. Getting cool. I like it. I like it. But now we're thinking, oh, man, what can we do? This one has an AB, this one has a BC, but doesn't have an A. This one has an AC, but doesn't have a B. But what about if we just said, well, what do they all have? Well, there's an AB, there's a BC, there's an AC. It's just those three letters. So that doesn't have to freak us out. We can divide everything here. Whatever we do, let's do it for everyone, by ABC, by ABC, by ABC. Okay? Not so bad. What do we have left? Well, the A's divide out and become 1. The B's divide out and become 1. The B's become 1. The C's become 1. C divided by C is 1. What do we have over here? A couple other C's, a couple other A's. They go bye-bye because they're all 1. They don't cancel. I don't like that term. They divide and become 1. Okay, so this leaves us with sine C over C equals sine A over little a, the length of side A equals sine B over the length of B. And how cool is that? It's very cool because you can do a lot of tricks. Now, the one thing that I see is people get mixed up because there's like too many equals here. Realize that you don't have to use all of them at once. Let's come up with an example and check it out. Okay? Maybe if I'm clever, I'm probably going to catch a little extra, but that's fine. I'm going to try to copy this and clone it, bring it down here. Same triangle. That's not bad. Take away that little S. Now let's throw in some things and see if we can um, make it work. So last time, and I don't even, it doesn't matter. Last time we had this angle at 135, I think. Doesn't matter if that's right. It's an obtuse angle at any rate. And we had side C. I can't remember. Doesn't matter. I'm going to go blue. 72 meters and side A. Um, I don't know. If that's 72, maybe that's 40. Man, I want to go blue again. Why do you keep doing that to me? It's clearly your fault, Alex Mack. 42 meters, let's say. I'm just making that up. Doesn't matter. I'm just trying to be reasonable. Más o menos. Okay, so notice now that I have a couple of items here. But right now, I don't have what I need. I need things that are opposite each other. This one, I can see right now isn't going to work. So I'm going to back up. Japers. Okay. I need something that's opposite. Um, let's go back here, make this A. Okay, that is 72. Let's say this is 100 meters. About. It doesn't have to be right. 135 degrees, 100 meters. Notice how these guys are opposite each other, and that's really important. Okay? These guys are opposite each other, and also C, angle C, is opposite that 72 meters. Opposite 72 meters. Maybe I should make that red and put them together. I don't know if that helps or hurts. Okay, so if these two go together, then I can solve for angle C because they are soulmates, if you will. Angle C and its opposite side, 72 meters. Okay, so now I have angle B and I have angle C. These guys right here. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye for now to this middle one. Now notice I only need two parts of it. And in those two parts, I need three items and one unknown. Three knowns, one unknown. So if I grab this, will it move the whole thing? Yeah, so I can't do it. It's kind of a bummer. Okay, doesn't look that bad. So let's start putting in what we know. Do we know angle C? We don't. So we just write sine C. And do we know its opposite side length? We don't. No, we do. We do. But wait, we do. 72 meters. And then we can say equals. Can you hear the phone ringing in the background? I'm just going to let it go. I think it'll quit. Sine. We do know B. So we can say sine 135 degrees over the length that is opposite 135 down here, 100 meters. And now it's just a simple proportion. We've done a zillion of these. We can say 100 meters times sine C, cross multiply. equals 72 meters. Now I better go to blue. Better go to blue. I'm going to move this down just a little bit so we have a little bit more room. Okay. Okay, 100 meters cross multiply times sine C equals 72 meters times the sine of 135 degrees. Okay, and that's across there. Okay, once again, check your calculator and make sure you're in degree mode, because right now we're using degrees. Later on, we'll use radians. We love radians, but right at this instant, we're using degrees. And you all can solve that. And then remember to ask yourself, does my answer make sense? If this angle B is 135 and this is 72, well, that's got to be something less than 90 for sure. And so um, right now, this one appears to be the second longest side, which means angle C should be bigger than angle A. So check it out when you're done. Ask yourself, does my answer make sense? I think you all can solve that from here on out. And I've talked enough. That one was 11 minutes, 30 seconds. I hope that you're enjoying Canadian bacon. It's probably not even Canadian. Derek, is that Canadian? I don't know. All right. See you all on Wednesday. Bye now.